Guys, I've got this American lock from Joshua from the USA, Series 700, with a trade from UK Lock Sport. He also sent me a short shackle. I took the core out of this and tried to push it in because it's on springs, trying to get the actuator out, but I can't get it out. So if anyone's got one of these locks, could show me how to change the shackle, much appreciated. It's a 5-pinner. Nice bitting on the key there because of pin 3, how low it is. Let's show you that it actually works. Even though there's tension on the core there, when I'm actually picking it, there's not that much tension. It's going to a full set. We can release tension, doesn't turn back on itself, so it behaves quite well for a picker. Let's give it a go at picking. And light tension, just moving the pick in. That was pin 3, just to see as I was going in pin 4. Just trying not to force anything, just let the serrated pins set on their own as I'm gliding the pick in. Pin 5, dragging it back ahead, trying to find that binding pin. That's pin 2, more turn on the core there. Pin 1. There we go. Going to the full deep set now. Get my pick out, which I can't because pin 2 is holding it up, so I'm just going to counter rotate. Going to try and set that. Feels like a spool. There we go. There you go. Full steep set. So I can release tension now without the tension wrench actually turning back on itself. So there we go. So even though there's tension on the core, it's not springing it back. So pushing it, I've already got an obstacle. Feels like pin 3, maybe because it's quite low. So I'm trying to go around that. Pin 4, counter rotation. Counter rotation. 1. It's testing each pins now. Pin 3. Full steep set now. Try and keep it in. Pin 1, counter rotation. There you go. Open. Cheers, Joshua. Thanks, guys.